Can Vizio Smart TV connect to Bluetooth headphones? Vizio Smart TVs have limited Bluetooth capabilities, and most models do not support direct connections to Bluetooth headphones. Instead, they are designed to work with Bluetooth Low Energy (BLE) devices, such as Vizio's SmartCast mobile app and certain remote controls. However, there are alternative ways to connect Bluetooth headphones to a Vizio Smart TV using external devices. 1. Limited Bluetooth support. Vizio Smart TVs do not have full Bluetooth audio support, meaning users cannot directly pair Bluetooth headphones with the TV. The built-in Bluetooth function is mainly for connecting mobile devices to control the TV using the SmartCast app rather than transmitting audio. 2. Using a Bluetooth transmitter. A Bluetooth transmitter is one of the best solutions for connecting Bluetooth headphones to a Vizio Smart TV. By plugging the transmitter into the TV's audio output ports, such as the headphone jack, optical port, or RCA outputs, users can transmit audio wirelessly to their Bluetooth headphones. 3. Connecting via streaming devices. Another alternative is using a streaming device that supports Bluetooth audio. Devices like Amazon Fire Stick, Apple TV, Roku, or NVIDIA Shield allow Bluetooth headphone connections. If the TV is connected to one of these devices, users can pair their Bluetooth headphones through the device's settings. 4. Using soundbars with Bluetooth output. Some soundbars that connect to Vizio Smart TVs also feature Bluetooth output for wireless headphones. By connecting the soundbar to the TV via HDMI ARC, optical, or AUX, and pairing Bluetooth headphones with the soundbar, users can enjoy private listening without disturbing others. Vizio. Smart TVs do not natively support direct Bluetooth headphone connections, but users can still connect wirelessly using a Bluetooth transmitter, streaming device, or Bluetooth-enabled soundbar. These alternatives provide an effective way to enjoy private listening while watching TV.